Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to connect Apple ID with App Store. First of all, you can open the general home settings on iPhone. I can already open the settings. After opening the settings, you can just simply tap on your name, and here you can just simply scroll down. You will find the option media and purchases. Tap on it, and now you can tap on view account. You will see the one more option, that is sign in. If you don't have a sign in to your account, so first simply sign in, and now you can tap on view account. And after a few seconds of loading, you can see this type of page, and here you can just simply connect the Apple ID or password. Enter the password, and this is the way you can connect Apple ID with App Store. You may first review your payment method before proceeding. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.